Following the FOMC minutes, a few minor changes, but no overall change. Starting with New Zealand dollar, US dollar. This most recent move is just 3, so I'm now looking at this as overall being done here. That is not a good drawing, but it's clear enough. So what I'm looking for here is one small correction, staying beneath resistance, and then a move over. Still looking lower in Aussie US dollar as well for part of the triangle. Euro US dollar seems to be in a correction still overall, so another high and then down, and then I would judge it from there once it moves lower. We may see, well, I'll take that later, but still looking lower here. Cable's doing its own thing. It looks vulnerable, so if we see a move down, I do like the idea of the ending diagonal as well for, pardon me, the leading diagonal for a move lower. Euro New Zealand looking for a B wave here. Euro Australian dollar also looking for a move down overall. Is looking vulnerable here. So I'm looking for a further decline in both of those pairs. Aussie New Zealand still looking lower overall. I'm now viewing this as 5 here and looking for another move down towards 107.50 perhaps. And Canadians still look good for higher. This idea for an X wave did work out well in the end in US Canadian. Euro Canadian overall preferring higher. I do view this as 5. However, let's see how it materializes. I'm not really inclined. If there's a setup, I may look to sell it, but right now I'm not really inclined to do that overall. I like the idea of higher in all these Canadian pairs. See if we can get a hanging man in gold. There's possible ends to wave B here. WXY, possibly. But going back to New Zealand, US dollar, this still looks good for lower. Nothing has changed overall in the trend. It's a weak candle today, pointing lower on the daily and the weekly. So a small 3-wave correction here. And then down, preferably. Okay, bye-bye.